check this out. I have a solution for the trunkless cars, which are most cars now. So check this out. If you're like me, you like to carry a lot of stuff just in case. So in here, I've got a little cargo net. I took the back off for towing stuff. I've got all kinds of junk in here, but I've got no trunk in here. So here's my solution. Check this out. The Beast. While I'm not traveling with it, this is our go-to travel piece here. While I'm not traveling around, I'm just gonna put my tools in it, put my axe in it. I'm gonna put extra waters in it. Travel chest set in there. Got some rags for helping people side of the road. Tow strap, bungees for stuff on the top. Now I've got some some ratchet straps here. I'm going to stick these on the sides here, side pocket, and then I've got, of course, duct tape. Who doesn't go without duct tape? Got some. I'm eating lower carbohydrates these days, so I kind of keep some pigskins in there. Got my drinks. Now drinks, be careful. These do tend to break open if things are going around, just so you know, I know that. I've got a Fix-A-Flat, and then I've got little bags that I tie a little knot into for just in case, you know, something bad happens in the car, people have dirty clothes, wet, soaks, whatever. Got a water bottle if I've got to go get some water. I have my old Maasai blanket that I got in Kenya. This is great for movie theaters and cold restaurants for the kids. I've got some paracord for just in case moments, and then I put this in on top of it, and of course the dog collar, dog leash for just in case. This thing is fantastic. Anyway, so check this out. The cargo net's nice and everything. I'm going to keep it in here, but what I really like is a place where I can put groceries in here if I need to. I can do all of that stuff without everything sliding around. So we'll stuff this thing full traveling, but I don't just tuck it away when we're back. I use it. That's the idea. This is the new one. This doesn't have the straps to go around it. I had on the last version, I had one that makes into a backpack, but it was, I found I was never using it, and I wanted every little ounce to count. Especially when we go to Africa, we'll take school books and clothes and backpacks and shoes and all sorts of stuff like that. So we took off those because they were about 1.5 pounds. And we made this thing lighter. And now there's a spot for luggage tags. They just wrap them around the airport people. Now I've got everything I need right there.